Hi guys, Dan with Index Option Trading on March the 3rd after the market closed, and we're looking at a 1-year chart of SPX. Today is March 3rd, and this is what happened here. On 2nd, we were out of this loop here, and it looked like that we're going to be breaking these trend lines and go down to 50-day moving average. But lo and behold, the jobless numbers came in pretty good. The unemployment applications dropped to 360,000. Then there were also the higher productivity, and also service sector grew a lot better. And these all point to the recovering economy and the recovering fundamentals that are taking place in the U.S. economy. So as a result, the stock market had a big day up day. The SPX went up 22 points higher, and we're back in the saddle again here. Looks like we're in the same channel that we were here before, and then we're moving up here into 133. And if we move up, tomorrow is the big day, which is the jobless report, and if it is better, good, then we can expect the market to go further higher, and as a result we could do that very easily. If you want to look at it close, let's just take a look at the 60-day time frame, 60 minute, and that will give you a clear picture. This is the trend line that we're here. I have not extended the trend line, but you can see it is right up there, and we were here yesterday, and now we moved back into the same groove. This is the groove, this is the barrel that we're trundling along, and we're going higher in this barrel, rolling along. And the same thing is going to happen here. If the reports are good tomorrow, we should have 1340 or so we can start making newer highs here in the stock market. The same cannot be said. Well, other indexes as well did really well as well. And let's take a look at here we go. Let's take a look at RTU, RUT. I'm sorry, RUT. RUT. And RUT also made a big advance here, 17 points up, bounced right back up, and looks like it's going to make up. It's trying to go higher here with this, but it's not in this channel. It's kind of a sideways or a different type of a pattern that will form here. So we'll start moving up here, but we never touch that 50-day moving average, which I was expecting we should touch, but we never did. The stochastic is neutral right now. It's about 48, and it can go either way. It's got a lot of room to go, and the report is jobless report is good tomorrow. We may see an upside in this index as well. And the NDX, let's take a look at it. The market direction is very important to look in the NDX, because that's the NASDAQ and technology. We're back in the groove again in the same channel. And if I pull this up here, 60 minute chart, take a look at it. This is a trend line. If we extend the trend line here, we're back in the groove. We're just in the same barrel again here, which is a channel that we were in the beginning. And if we move up a little bit higher, then it will confirm that move, and hopefully if the reports are good, then we should be doing okay. Let's take a look at right now the SPY, which is what we need to know and see what the volumes were. And we go here to SPY. Let's take a look at the SPY 1-year chart, 9 months, and the stochastics, the volume came about 177 million shares. That's not as good as was yesterday, but it was sufficient volume, and you can see clearly that in the trend lines that extended, SPY is within this barrel again, and is in this channel that is moving up higher. And that's what you really want to see, to make the move higher, trending market, moving higher steadily and slowly, and you can keep on making money with it. That's SPY has been doing very well here lately. On some of the leading stocks here, NFLX, it did not have such a great day here. It is just starting to pound that 50-day moving average, and it's extremely oversold. Hopefully this will bounce from here. CMG did well here today, for example. It was here, it touched the 50-day moving average yesterday, and it moved up here nicely, 3-4 points. In the other stocks, we have looked at it at this one, and I will mention this. WLT, Walter Energy, is breaking out from this downward wedge, and it has just crossed the 50-day moving average. So this is another candidate, but we can take a look at some of them. Baidu, one more, and Baidu has been doing also good. It is just bouncing off again from the lows.